In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to retarget an animation using the Rococo plugin in Blender. First, let's add a meta rig to our scene, and for now, let's just choose the basic one. By the way, you can get this animation file for free by clicking the link in the description below. Now let's open the Rococo Studio plugin tab. Under the Source option, select the armature that contains the animation, and under Target, select the meta rig we just added. After that, click Build Bone List, and it will automatically map all the bones for us. Once that's ready, click Retarget Animation. Let's hit play to test the animation. It looks almost perfect, but as you can see, the upper body parts don't quite match our target model. Don't worry though, because there's an easy way to fix this. First, let's jump back to frame 1 and switch over to pose mode so we can fix the affected body parts of the armature. Select the upper arm, go to the Bone Constraints tab, and add a copy rotation constraint. Use the eyedropper tool to select the upper arm of our target animation. Under the Bone option, choose the corresponding bone name for that upper arm area. If right upper arm doesn't appear in the list, you can select right arm instead. When we test the animation again, if you notice any awkward bending or twisting, just adjust the influence slider to fix the alignment. Go ahead and apply this same process to any other parts of the armature until you are satisfied with the final result. And once again, the animation file is available for free via the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and I'd be more than happy to answer them. Thank you very much.